Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Chromosomal Basis of Inheritance, and in that we are studying topic XY linkage. Do you know that color blindness? Yes, color blindness is a XY linkage. So what's this XY linkage? Let's study and find out today. XY linkage clearly deals with inheritance of genes, or genes are passed down from the homologous or the similar parts or present on the X as well as Y chromosome. Also, since both the chromosomes are involved, there is pattern of inheritance is associated with autosomes. Color blindness is a very classic example of XY linkage that's observed. XY linkage. Now, if I talk about XY linkage, when genes that are present on the homologous part of chromosome, which is present on the X and Y, both the chromosomes are inherited or passed, they are termed as XY linkage. And XY linkage also resembles your autosomes or somatic chromosomes. Total color blindness, retinitis or inflammation of the retina or disorders of retina or paralysis of lower body are some of the examples of XY linkage. Now XY linkage clearly holds both the chromosomes, that is X and Y chromosomes. So students, in this part of the chapter we did study about another type of linkage, which is your XY linkage, and I hope you are very clear with this concept. Thank you.